Hey everybody, it's time for my weekly update on things happening in and around OEA. I want to begin by congratulating Layla Kubesh. She is an OEA member from Norwood City Schools in the Cincinnati area, the 2020 Ohio Teacher of the Year, who has just been named as one of 4 finalists for National Teacher of the Year. That selection process is ongoing. We wish her the very best, and we're so proud of the work that she does advocating for students and for her fellow members as she continues to lead our profession here in the state of Ohio. This week, we have a lot of things that we're continuing to focus on related to legislative issues, but at the very top of the list, as the legislature comes back into session and is working to get a number of things done this spring, is making sure that we address the unconscionable expansion of school vouchers. The EdChoice program in particular has seen an explosion in terms of the number of schools that are identified as voucher eligible. That's because of a faulty report card system that we're also working very hard to fix. But if we look at the number of schools affected, the number of districts affected, and the number of dollars that are being diverted away from our public schools and from the 90% of Ohio's students who attend those schools to families that are making the choice to send their kids to private schools, it is absolutely ridiculous. We need you to take action. If you've already emailed, thank you. If you've already made a phone call, thank you. Do it again. Call your state representative, call your state senator, and most importantly, LRCs, local presidents, we want you to make sure that every single one of your members knows about the issue, understands the impact in your own school district, that you're in communication with your superintendent and your school boards, that you're advocating for school board resolutions to be passed, but that we are putting maximum pressure on the legislature to get this expansion of vouchers rolled back. We are not going to accept a half measure on this. We're not going to be willing to sit back and see a minor tweak or a minor fix that embeds voucher expansion for the long term. But we need to make sure that every single legislator is hearing from us and understanding the impact of their decision. Vouchers is just one example of the kinds of legislative issues every day that has an impact on our members and students. And we're going to be talking at our President's Summit on Saturday, February 1st, from 10 to 3 at the Marriott University Hotel in Columbus, about how to better engage members around legislative issues, around the campaign for election 2020, around the OEA Fund for Children in Public Education, around the need to engage politicians and candidates from all political parties on the issues that matter most to us and our students. I hope to see every LRC, every local president, as well as presidents bring another member from their local to attend. We already have a great turnout of RSVPs. We want to see more people there. Also want to mention that this weekend we're going to have people from all of our committees that are going to be coming in and doing hard work for our members here in Columbus. If you're interested in serving on a committee for next year, let me know or contact your district president. But I'll have more to share on the committees in future updates. And finally, just one last call. Please make sure that you are spreading the word about OEA awards, grants, and scholarships, both from OEA and from the OEA Educational Foundation. We've got a lot of money to give away. Deadline's coming up soon. There's a lot of competition. Make sure that you get in there and get those applications in. That's all I have. Hope you make it a great week. Thanks.